Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take apart my internet box because I wondered what's inside. So let's dive into it. So as I said it's an internet box and I use it. I've already taken the screw out, so just gonna open it like that with those things because I don't have those. I fix it, I don't know what thing, so I'm using a cut card that I found on the ground yesterday. I wondered maybe it will be useful. Turns out it is. So I opened it, it fell, but no problem, everything is fine. So I've already seen that part, but now let's discover together. So we got connectors. Let me figure out how I can open it. Unfortunately, I think there's some solder, and first of all, I don't have a soldering gun, and then I don't want to get into that for now. So that's sad. I guess I'll just put everything back again. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, to share the video, like it, comment it, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. See ya.